gonna go straight into it. Who's introducing?
You.
Me?
Mm.
Hey everyone, welcome to JPFD.
Hey, I'm AK.
I'm AG.
Welcome to our channel.
Yeah,
So today, did you prepare today's topic?
I did prepare today's topic. Well, we're on a road trip
Uh-huh.
at the weekend. Well,
Where we go?
where did we go? We went to Mount Fuji.
Yay!
That was kind of cool.
That was cool that we see a red Mount Fuji.
So the red Mount Fuji, yeah.
And I didn't even know Mount Fuji. I always think Mount Fuji is blue, but it wasn't.
No,
Didn't know.
it's red, and then when the sun rises after it's red, it's brown.
Or black.
Or
brown.
black.
Yeah.
Black or brown.
So that was surprising, I
Yeah.
guess.
Pretty
Yeah.
cool. Pretty nice little trip.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe
I
show some
think so.
pictures here.
そうだね。はい。
It's nice.
So, I think what we are going to talk about is
Road words. Trip words. AK was driving and I was navigating, and there was some interesting stuff that happened back and forth when we were talking about different things and what they mean, different words.
yep,
So I learned some new Japanese words and AK learned some new
English words.
English
too.
words about driving. So we're going to share some with you now. So we'll start with the Japanese, I think.
Okay, sure.
So we'll do a normal thing and then we'll swap it over to English.
Okay. What about do you know the word for driving?
Driving, I do know this word. It's like unten.
Oh, yeah.
Unten suru?
Yes.
Unten suru?
Yes.
Okay. Got
Yep.
it. Okay.
So you already know the word.
I know that one.
Okay.
That's the only one I know, I think, out
Oh,
of the words
really?
we've got.
Okay.
yeah.
So how would you say intersection or crossing?
I always get this one wrong because I confuse it with cafe for some reason.
What?
Yeah.
E?
Was it kosaten?
Kosate?
Kosaten? Is
Oh,
that a
yeah.
word?
Yeah, that's right. You still remember the word that I taught you in the road trip, I guess.
Oh,
Right?
kosaten's right.
Yeah.
What's cafe?
What?
Isn't it like a something 10 word? I'm terrible. Go on.
That's kosaten, isn't it?
Kosaten is cafe?
Cafe?
Yeah.
Kisaten?
Kisaten, that's it.
What?
See, I always get it mixed up.
What?
I just so happened you caught me on a good day. I was lucky I got it right.
Okay, so cafe is kisaten.
Yes.
But obviously Japanese
Just say
people
cafe, right?
also say, yeah, cafe.
Uh-huh.
And then, what about kosaten? I mean, intersections or crossing is kosaten.
Kosaten. That's why I got it mixed up. Kisaten, kosaten.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know why we say kosaten as kosaten?
I don't know, but when I've seen
Mm-hmm.
the words on the road, it's got a kanji with like a little hat and a cross
Uh-huh.
through it.
Mm-hmm.
Is that why?
Oh, okay. So, I don't know where kisaten is coming from, but kosaten no kosa
Mm-hmm.
means that it's cross.
Oh, so that's what.
So, kosa suru
Uh-huh.
is maybe if you see kanji, you can also understand how does it work. So
Yeah, I'll put the kanji. You would have seen the kanji by now, I think. but-
kosa like
yeah,
that.
it looks like this. I'll have it. You'll see it.
Yeah. So that's why people are saying like a kosaten, kosa
Oh.
suru, kosaten kind of thing.
Okay.
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 So maybe. Okay. Next one is what about traffic light?
See, this one I don't know at all.
Really?
But if I had to guess,
Uh-huh.
I would guess Corsa is in there somewhere.
No.
Oh, okay, then I have no idea.
Traffic light. Light. Maybe difficult.
Light, the only word for light I know is hikari, and I don't think it's that.
No.
That's different
How
light.
can I give you a clue?
Oh dear.
Well, maybe go to the answer first.
Okay, let's go to the answer first and see if I
Yeah.
remember these.
Yep. So,
Okay.
shingoki.
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 But most people say shingo,
Uh-huh.
most likely, because it's kind of like if I say shingoki, it means like a shingo device or like shingo machine. So I don't really need to say machine.
Shingo.
Yes. Shingo.
Shingo.
Yeah. I don't know why we say that.
I don't know. Okay, so shall we do the review first, or shall we jump into the English first?
Let's do English first.
Let's do the English first. Okay. So when I was navigating, there were a few words that you didn't understand. I was telling you. Right. So one of them was fork.
Yeah.
Not the fork you eat with, but in the road, you're driving along and there's a fork in the road.
I thought like fork is probably like this.
Three?
This is a fork, isn't it?
Well, it's kind of the same thing, right? But it's just two. There's a fork in the road. So I kept saying, go left at the fork. And you were like, what? What are you talking about?
I said like, where?
Where are we going? I said left at the fork.
Yeah.
But didn't understand what fork was. Is there a Japanese word for that in the road?
Fork.
Uh-huh. Not like forku, which is like a fork, but is there another word for it?
Fork. Fork is like, how would you explain the fork? Like, where the place...
It's just a place where the road splits into two or more, I guess.
I have no idea. Maybe I should ask my Japanese friends.
Again, we'll find out, or if you do know, let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
So fork was one of them.
Yes. What about
What was
the
another
other?
one?
Don't
I'm
know.
sure there were more. I'm sure there were others that were a bit confusing. At the end of the road?
At the end of the road?
Yeah.
Yes.
So didn't understand the end of the road.
Yeah.
So this one's a bit more subjective, I guess. But when I think the end of the road, I think you're driving along a road and then you can't go forward any further, so you have to go left or right. So I say at the end of the road, turn left. At the end of the road, turn right. So when you can't go straight on anymore. If that makes sense. But that's not, I don't think that's an actual term. Fork is like a term. Fork in the road is a term, but end of the road is kind of...
At the end of the road. I mean, like,
subjective.
at the end of the road, I feel like it's dead end. I cannot go anywhere else.
I guess that would be at the end of the road
So that's
too.
why, like, I get confused. At the end of the road, but I can still go right
You
or
can go
left,
right or left,
so
yeah.
I get
But the road ends,
confused.
though. When you turn right or left, you turn to a different road. So you're at the end of the road.
Maybe it works.
Yeah.
Just give you, like, some Japanese words as well.
Okay.
So if it's dead end,
Mm-hmm.
we say ikidomari.
Ikidomari.
Yes.
Ikidomari.
Ikidomari.
Okay.
It's pretty easy word for if you already know iku, go,
I figured.
and
yeah.
then tomaru is stop.
Okay.
So ikidomari means go, stop. But does it make sense?
It does, but it's still kind of funny.
Right.
Just interesting how you kind of break a word down to mean something so simple, but it's a word, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And then like sometimes like people from my area said don'tsuki.
Don'tsuki.
Yeah. I don't even know why we say don'tsuki, but like don'tsuki o migi hidari o kanasang, and yeah, I think it's only from my region.
Is Don'tsuki again dead end?
Dead end.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. When I talked to like my friends in Tokyo, couple of like maybe years ago, they said like what? So.
Oh, some regional dialects.
Yeah.
AK's from Kansai, by the way.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. So. Okay, so we're going to do the review now, as we do at the end of every episode. We're going to rattle off the words and see if I get them right, see if I remembered.
Ooh.
So, let's go.
Okay. Drive.
Drive. I knew this one before, and I still know it. Unten suru.
Yes. Next is crossing or intersection.
Crossing is not a cafe, it's kosaten.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my gosh, you get it.
I got it.
Traffic light.
Traffic light. Shingoki?
Oh, right. Right.
Shingoki? Is that right?
Right. Can you make it one sentence relate?
Oh, see, now you're asking for sentences, which is... Okay, I can't do sentences. Sentences are really bad for me, so... Maybe instead of that, our next episode will be a grammar episode. So we can start building sentences out. Because that's my sticking point of Japanese, is that words I understand, I can read, and I can understand the words, and I can understand what people are saying by the words they're saying, like the nouns and things like that. But when it comes to verbs, adjectives, and any general grammar, conjunction, saying this, then this, or weaving the words together, particles, horrible. So, I think that'll be cool. Next episode, we'll do some grammar.
Okay, so we're gonna list the word already you know.
Yeah, so what we'll do, we'll do a grammar episode next, and we will use words we've already covered.
Okay, sure.
So we've done, what? Brushing your teeth?
Yep.
And driving.
Uh-huh.
And I think that's it, because there is a lost episode.
No. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's it. So just those two, and we're going to come back next week. We're going to do some very simple grammar, and we're going to build our way up from there.
Okay, sure.
Sound good?
Let's do that.
Okay, thank you very much for watching today, guys, and we will see you. Is there anything you want to say before we go?
Yeah.
No. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.